In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field in Docusign in the easiest way possible. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by electronic documents, don't worry. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at adding signature fields using Docusign. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Docusign website. The platform is well regarded for its electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, which makes handling digital documents a breeze. Open your preferred web browser and type in Docusign's website URL. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This will prompt you to enter your account details, so have those handy. And if you don't have an account yet, this might be a good opportunity to create one to fully explore the platform's capabilities. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is the central hub from where you can access all your documents and templates. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. Next, navigate to your templates either by accessing a saved one or creating a new one. Templates in Docusign are pre-formatted documents that can save you a lot of time, especially when you frequently send out similar documents for signing. Once you've selected or created a template, you'll need to fill out the necessary details. This step is crucial because it ensures that all parties involved understand their roles and what is expected of them in the document. Add relevant information like the recipient's name and email address to make the process smoother. With the details entered, go ahead and click the Next button, which will guide you toward the field adding phase. This is where the magic happens. You'll see various options for fields that can be added to your document. Locate and select the signature field. This is essential since you're adding a spot for recipients to sign. You can drag and position this field wherever it's needed within the document. Remember, placement can matter significantly, so make sure it's in a logical location that the signers can easily find. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you've successfully added a signature field to your document in Docusign. Once you're satisfied with the setup, you're ready to send it off for signing. The recipient will receive an email notification prompting them to review and sign the document, making the entire process seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your digital document management a little bit easier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy signing.